Hi Virgo, this is Alex Eagle, the master of runes. I will ask the runes what you can do to achieve your current goal or solve your current problem. Also, in the end of the video, I will teach you how you can use a personalized rune for you, for your success. Keep in mind, this is a general reading, so not everything will resonate personally with you. Now, what is this reading about? This reading is about your path in life, about your destiny, about your doubts, about your perhaps lack of confidence of what is going on with your life and what might the next step be for you. Now, what do you actually want? You want to be happy, want to be joyful, want to be perhaps not bothered about so much things in your life and just reside in some kind of a pleasant state, a little bit infantile state, but a state that allows you to relax for some time. So if life been giving you troubles lately, if some events were happening those made you question whether you are doing the right thing, whether you're on the right path, and to compensate for all the suffering and struggles that you have, you might be turning towards this some kind of a joy, either looking for joy or pleasure. Now, how do you achieve success in this situation? It's the rune of movement, rune of changing spaces, rune of changing locations, rune of moving through frequencies and through layers of the universe. So perhaps moving to a new place or moving to a changing something in your life, or where you are moving into a new group, into a new area, into a new informational, emotional and mental location might help you stabilize your destiny and find perhaps calmness and joy. So what rune can you use for this? It's the rune of the Avos, rune of transformation, a rune of a slow flowing from one state into another state. So the advice is pretty consistent. A change is required, a slow change that is not a dramatic change, but a change that will help you transform yourself into something different or transform your life into something different. So if you are thinking that you are not on the right path, perhaps it's time to look for some new possibility. Try yourself in different areas, especially in those areas, those will require you to make some kind of a change to yourself, to learn something new, to learn a new ability, or to move to another place, or to do something completely different from what you are doing right now. Then you will gain joy and happiness, but you need to perform this change. Thank you for your attention and I wish you the best of luck.